Did you know that 56% of Americans can't cover an unexpected $1,000 expense without going into debt? Imagine your car breaking down or a sudden medical bill. What would you do? Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful tools for financial peace of mind: an emergency fund. Stick around, because this might just be the smartest money move you'll ever make. Emergencies don't wait. For a good time, they happen when you least expect them. And for young adults, especially if you're just starting out, an unexpected expense can completely derail your budget or force you into high-interest debt. But here's the good news. Building an emergency fund isn't just doable, it's empowering. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why an emergency fund is a must-have, how to build one, even if you're living paycheck to paycheck, and how to make it work for you. Let's jump in. Point 1, start small and set clear goals. The idea of saving 3 to 6 months worth of expenses can feel overwhelming, especially if money's already tight. But here's the secret. You don't have to do it all at once. Start with a mini goal, $500 to $1,000. That's enough to cover small emergencies like a flat tire or an urgent medical copay. Break it down into manageable chunks. For example, saving just $20 a week means you'll hit zero in under a year. It's about progress, not perfection. Point 2, automate your savings. Let's be real, saving money is hard when you have to think about it constantly. That's why automation is your best friend. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to a separate savings account every payday, even if it's just 10 or 15 at first. The key is consistency. Over time, you'll barely notice the money is gone, but your emergency fund will grow like magic. Point 3, choose the right savings account. Not all savings accounts are created equal. You want your emergency fund to be accessible, but not too accessible. Consider a high-yield savings account. Many online banks in the US offer interest rates around 4%. That way, your money grows while staying safe and easy to access in a pinch. Pro tip, avoid keeping your emergency fund in your main bank account. It's way too tempting to dip into it for non-emergencies. Point 4, make it personal. Your emergency fund isn't a one-size-fits-all deal. Think about your specific needs. If you live in a city without a car, your fund might be smaller than someone who relies on their vehicle daily. Start by tracking your basic monthly expenses: rent, food, transportation, insurance, and multiply that by 3. That's your ultimate goal. But remember, every dollar saved is a step closer to financial freedom. Point 5, side hustle your way to faster savings. Want to speed things up? Consider dedicating earnings from a side hustle or freelance gig entirely to your emergency fund. Platforms like DoorDash, Upwork, or Etsy make it easier than ever to earn extra cash on your terms. Think of it this way. Every side hustle paycheck is a building block for your financial safety net. And who knows, that side hustle could even grow into a new opportunity. Let's recap. Your emergency fund is your shield against life's financial curveballs. Start small, automate your savings, use the right account, tailor it to your needs, and boost your progress with side hustle income. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. Even saving just $10 this week gets you closer to your goal. Imagine how it'll feel to know you're prepared for whatever life throws your way. That's the power of an emergency fund. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button, share this video with someone who needs to hear it, and subscribe to Smart Money Moves for more strategies to build wealth and live your best financial life. Let's make money moves together.